In this video, we will show you how to lift a patient from the floor to the bed using a floor-based lift once they've been clinically assessed and it is safe to do so.
Throughout the process, explain each step to the patient so they understand what's happening and know how to assist where possible. Start by placing a pillow under the patient's head for comfort. Next, assist the patient in rolling onto their side so you can position the sling underneath them. Place the base of the sling at the patient's coccyx and ensure the sling is centered along their spine. Roll the patient back, then gently turn them to the opposite side and pull the sling flat to fully position it. Now, push the leg straps behind the patient's knees, move them up to the thighs, and cross the straps. Wheel the lift towards the patient from the feet. Widen the lift's base if more space is needed around the patient. Ask the patient to lift their legs over the lift's base. If the patient needs assistance, move one of their legs at a time. Attach the sling loops to the carry bar. The longer loops will be easier to reach and put the patient in a reclined position, ready to transfer to bed. Sometimes you may face challenges when trying to reach the carry bar low enough to attach the straps. If your lift doesn't go low enough, consider advocating for a new lift that can go lower to the ground. You could also consider using sling strap extensions to increase the length of the straps. If it's only the head straps that don't reach, try raising the patient's head and shoulders with extra pillows to reduce the distance between the sling strap's reach and carry bar. Also, the head straps can be left detached if it's assessed that the patient has adequate head control for the transfer. Ensure the lift's brakes are off when lifting the patient. Lift the carry bar, then double check that the sling is positioned correctly. All straps are attached and the patient is secure. An alternative approach is to position the lift on one side of the patient. Widen the lift's base to its maximum setting. This may require 3 staff members, as the patient's head must be supported with a pillow. Depending on the patient's height, their head may rest slightly on the lift leg with a pillow in between. Position the other lift leg underneath the patient's knee, attach the straps, and proceed with the task. Lift the patient and carefully move the lift over their bed, adjusting the lift's base to fit under the bed as needed. Use your leg muscles to push the lift. Do not twist your back. Lower the patient onto the bed. Next, remove the straps from the carry bar. Raise the bed to a comfortable working height. Aim for hip to waist level of the shortest caregiver. Finally, remove the sling by turning the patient from side to side, leaving them in a comfortable and safe position. If you're working in a confined space and the lift doesn't fit, refer to the manual handling in confined space safe work procedure in the description box. Thanks for watching. For more safe patient handling resources, click the link in the description box.